Good morning, I'm Caitlin.
And I'm Layla. This is CTV.
Now please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. Today is Take Care Thursday. Now here's a message from Miss Ivy.
Hi Cougars, I'm Neela and here's a Take Care Thursday segment on automatic negative thoughts.
Positive thinking is more than just being happy. It's a powerful mindset that helps you overcome challenges, boost confidence, and improve your mental well-being. To build a positive mindset, you must first identify negative thinking patterns. These include criticizing yourself, overthinking mistakes, and imagining the worst outcome in every situation. The cognitive triangle of negative thoughts incorporates three things that affect our well-being. Our thoughts affect what we feel and act. For example, telling yourself that you're not good enough. Our behavior also affects how we think and feel. This includes giving up, not studying, and ultimately failing a test. Our emotions affect what we do, like feeling sad or defeated. What you believe and think about yourself affects how you behave. If you constantly tell yourself you can't do something, you likely won't try. But if you believe in your ability to grow and learn, you will act with confidence. Your thoughts shape your reality, negative thoughts limit your potential, and positive thoughts open opportunities. The cognitive triangle of positive thoughts incorporates changing our negative thoughts, behavior, and emotions to more positive thoughts that boost our mood and overall being. An example of this is telling yourself you can do this instead of saying you're not good enough. Changing how you think takes practice. You can start by writing down things you're grateful for, turning negative thoughts into constructive ones, and repeating positive affirmations daily.
I'm Good Patan, I'm in 8th grade. I'm Ishika Chal, I'm in 8th grade. I overcome my negative thoughts by telling myself I'm going to have a good day and I can do it when things get hard. And I can tell myself I'm going to pass the test.
Hi, my name is Andrea Ginsai and I overcome my negative thoughts by doing breathing exercises and journaling.
Hi, my name is Layla, I'm in 8th grade and I overcome negative thoughts by sleeping.
Hi, my name is Avi and I'm in 7th grade, and I overcome my fears by telling myself to participate more in class.
Hi, my name is Brianna, I'm in 7th grade and I overcome my bad thoughts by telling myself I'll do better.
My name is Elijah Allen and I'm in 8th grade.
My name is Diego, I'm in 8th grade.
I overcome my negative thoughts by listening to Bart Simpson ads.
I overcome my negative thoughts by just sleeping.
That's all for today, Cougars. I'm Neela reporting from CTV. Have a terrific Thursday.